Now to start off with Irene from Minions and Monsters, let's begin with the bottom. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little curved line like this. Next, we're going to make a smaller bump. Then we're going to start up here, and we're going to make a bigger curved line like this. We'll make a small one here that curves up. And one right here, like this. I'm going to bring this line up. And then I'm just going to make an oval shape in here for one of the eyeballs. I'm going to bring this line up here. Then I'm going to make another oval shape for an eyeball. Then I'm going to bring this line up to about here. I'll put a small circle shape for an eyeball right here. Then one here, and I'm going to make another oval shape. I'm going to curve this in. Then I'm going to draw a really big circle for an eyeball. I'm going to curve this down and make another circle here. I'm going to curve this down, and I'm going to make another oval right here, and then a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to fill in some more oval shapes in here. So I'm going to put some more of these circle and oval shapes just to kind of make lots and lots of different eyeballs in here. And we're just going to kind of fill up this area all along here. Next, I'm going to make some kind of long broken lines on here just to make it kind of look like Irene is really kind of like stretchy. I'll put a few more lines kind of right next to them. Now inside of these, I'm going to make some pupils. So I'm just going to make like a little black oval or circle shape, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of it white just to kind of make some reflection. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in all of these little eyes. Now, once I'm done with that, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and just add some little curved lines kind of right around each of the eyes, just to give them a little bit of detail. And we're just going to kind of add some curves right around these eyes here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Irene from the new Minions and Monsters movie. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.